Hi, I'm Rana. I'm the founder of Sit Beit, and I'm here to tell you my story. A few years ago, I had a problem. I didn't know how to cook. I didn't live with mama anymore, but I was craving mama's food. I needed to live healthy, I needed to eat clean, and I knew the only way to do that was through cooking. A million voice notes later from my mom and researching Arabic recipes online and finding things that were way too long, way too complicated, and a few trips down to the supermarket not being able to find my ingredients, I realized I was having a problem. Arabic traditional cooking is just too complicated. I needed it to be simpler. So I thought of Sit Beit. I looked around, I found that there was nothing that's like this, where everything was already prepared for you with this exact salt inside that just gives you the clear instructions to just follow the steps, and that's it. And that's exactly what Sit Beit is. Basically, these magic pouches have everything inside, everything. Exactly the amount of spices you need, the salt, the nutritional facts are in them. They're fast, easy, and absolutely delicious. And they're mama approved. Mama approves of them. They taste like the real thing. So when we were doing the research, we found that these 4 recipes were the most popular around our region. And they really speak a lot to a lot of people, and they remind them of what mama's food really is. So each recipe has its own personality, and it represents someone from your family. So biryani is the fun, crazy, adventurous one. Jadara is the humble one. Lukhei is the kind one. Friki is the mystical one. And we really want you to relate to these personalities. We worked really closely with a nutritionist to make sure that these are as healthy as possible, and to work on our serving size, just giving you something that's clean. Each one feeds 3, it's a big portion. Must-have pantry item because they have a long shelf life. So you have no commitment, you can cook it whenever you want. They're always there to save your day. Everything's inside, so simple. The instructions are there. You only need water and oil, that's it. It will take you less than 10 minutes to prep this meal. That's it, 10 minutes of cooking time. And then you leave it up to the stove and you're done. Go do your thing. Continue being busy. And you have a guaranteed delicious, delicious, delicious mama-approved meal that you can actually have. And it feels like a big hug in your tummy, just like mama would give you. Basically, we're here to make your life easier. It's so easy to find us. You can basically find us in any of your local stores. Or with the click of a button, you can go online, shop online, and we'll deliver it to your doorstep.